to Disney World in the hurricane.
Where are we going? That's what we haven't done. Hurricane category 4.
We found out 2 hours ago we were going to Disney World. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. Surprise, guess where we're going, Disney. The thing that is the most surprising is that we are actually we are going in a major hurricane. Yes, that's right. There's a category 4 storm headed for Florida tonight. Just kidding. It's supposed to hit early next week, and so we waited until the last minute to decide if we were actually going on this trip because we didn't know if we were going or not. And we decided last minute. We're literally about to call the Uber. Our flight leaves at 6:30. It's 4:30 now. We packed.
Oh my God, we gotta be at the airport 2 hours before the flight boards.
We packed in about 20 to 30 minutes, and we're headed to Disney World right now. So the reason we are going to Disney this weekend is actually for my bachelorette trip with my sisters. We are going to, it's kind of a low-key trip, but kind of not. We are going to hopefully be visiting all 4 parks in 2 days. Not really sure how that's gonna work out yet, but the thing we are looking forward to is because there is a hurricane. There's literally a hurricane coming. Because there's a hurricane coming, that does mean that probably our wait times are gonna be smaller. We're gonna have smaller crowds. The weather's not gonna be fabulous, but I mean, honestly, who cares? So I figured I wasn't gonna vlog this weekend, but I decided that there's so much that could happen, and honestly, why not document it and have it to look back on for years to come. Hi, Juliana, do we need to call the Uber?
Yeah, it's time to call
All right,
Uber.
time to call the Uber.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, Bubby. Thank you for coming get us.
Hey vlog, it's me here. So we made it to Orlando. There's Wesley.
A lot has transpired.
Yeah, so we made the flight from Knoxville to Charlotte, and then from Charlotte to Orlando, and we landed, and all of a sudden we're getting these texts from our parents. They were like,
pretty much what happened is that the airports, it turns out, were actually shutting down Monday at 2 a.m. When our flights were supposed to leave
because
Monday.
the hurricane that we thought was going the opposite way is actually deciding to hit the coast of Florida as a category 4.
Yeah, so the hurricane kind of strengthened, turned, and sped up, and was.
She said,
yeah.
Coming back for you.
Made me so mad. I'm really sad. We thought we were gonna kind of outsmart the storm, and turns out the storm's outsmarting us, and we'll post more updates tomorrow as we find them out. But long story short, I don't think we're gonna be going to any of the parks this weekend or for a while, which is really stinky because I want to see Illuminations. So this is gonna be a really interesting vlog when it all comes together. So we're gonna go to bed and get some rest because it's now 1:51 in the morning, as we've tried to negotiate with airlines and our parents to let us stay, but I just don't think it's gonna happen. So we'll let y'all know more in the morning. So update, we're still leaving town. Juliana is leaving at
5:21. I don't get to Knoxville
till at 5 tonight. Olivia's here, and Wesley is cooking his brunch. I'm waiting on a call from American to figure out when my flight's gonna leave. And Wesley is cooking. Look at him.
All alone out here.
I know. Look at this feast he's made. Wow.
You can. Like the only thing you can see there is.
Yeah, pretty much. Where's the bacon?
Come here.
Oh look, there's more of the feast, and he's made grits. Woo! And other pancakes. Hot dang.
Wife material over here.
Update. Okay, update.
American Airlines.
Sarah Grace can't get out of here. I got like the last flight last night. I was on the phone from like 2 to 3:30 trying to figure out how to get back to Knoxville because your girl don't want to get stuck here. Thanks, Wesley. Wesley made us breakfast. He's the goat. You making it out? In the yaw of a hurricane, there is quiet.
And because it's a one-time change, and that's the only flight that gets me back to Knoxville.
I think we're gonna go to Disney Springs. See you there, bye.
We're dressed and ready. We're gonna go hang out in Disney and just not go to the parks. We're gonna make the most of this day we have. Woohoo! So we made it to Des Queens. I just kind of bebopping around. Olivia got the cutest little snack. Look at that. Guys, better than the parks.
Love Disney style. Let's go.
Oh yeah, we're going to Disney style. Better than the parks, baby. Update. We have a little something special. We're going to Epcot! Woo! Going to see, we need to get him some coffee. So we're gonna go see Illuminations tonight, and then we're gonna go to Food and Wine, we're gonna ride Soarin', we're gonna go see O Canada, we're gonna have the time of our lives. Juliana left out on her flight about an hour ago, I'd say. She know about 30 minutes ago. So anyway, we're going to the parks after all.
First stop, what did we get? What did we do?
We went to
Wow, that's
tropical
good.
islands of Hawaii.
Yeah?
Got Kahlua pork sliders. With pineapple.
What do we think?
And some, they're delicious.
Delicious.
I know whatever that delicious monstrosity is.
This is the Alani Sunrise, I think, and it's just so good.
Update, we've ridden like everything in the park except for Test Track and Figment. Figment's closed, so it's Test Track. And we watched like every show. Western Specials de France. Well, that was really the only show we watched.
So boring.
It was so good. Shut up. We're losing an icon. Now
Castles in the mountains.
we're going to Mission Space.
People don't go to.
And then we're gonna go stake out a spot for Illuminations. It's gonna be real. It's gonna be good.
Your last illuminations ever. You should tell the world.
This is it.
I'm still awake.
This is the last Illuminations.
For you at least.
On behalf of Walt Disney, the place where dreams come true, we welcome all to Epcot
No.
and World Showcase. We're gathered here tonight with the fire, as people of all lands have gathered for thousands and thousands of years to share and to share a story, an amazing story, as old as time itself, but still being written. And though each of us has our own individual stories to tell,
These are the iconic parts about to happen.
when we bring them all together as one, we hope you enjoy our story tonight. Reflections of Earth.
How are we doing?
I talk about this.
But we gotta voice these feelings.
When that globe opened up for the last time, my heart split apart. Look at it. It's sitting there. Doesn't know it's about to get put up forever. Sad when he was like, and now we gather around the fire, we present illuminations. It blew out all the way. It was like, I don't want to talk about this anymore.
Maybe I just don't get it.
You know, my tears are fogging up my glasses.
My opinion of the first time I saw Illuminations, which was the same time as apparently the last time I'll see Illuminations. It's alright, it's pretty good. I like the explosions. It's like boom! Boom, 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 boom. And, yeah, the globe spin, it had stuff on it, but honestly, it was kind of far away, so I couldn't, I mean, there was like a lion at one point, and I saw the Golden Gate Bridge at one point. So yeah, I saw the Golden Gate Bridge at one point. There's a bunch of people like lighting candles.
No, the whole thing is about the world coming together.
It looked like the Olympics at one point, like the guy here in the
oh my gosh, he doesn't understand.
But a lot of fireworks going, explosions. They're really close, you know. They just like explode.
Don't bring someone who doesn't appreciate Illuminations to your last viewing of Illuminations.
I supported you.
And this music's so good. Are you gonna miss this music?
I'm not gonna be able to sleep at night until they bring it back. So
we're gonna go get pizza
out.
now.
Yeah, pizza out.